In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Hey Siri on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to turn this on from the Settings app. So just follow along as I tap through it. First, I'm looking for the Settings app, the grey gear icon. If it's not on the screen you're on, just swipe left or right until you find it. Once you spot Settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now we're inside Settings and you'll see a long list of options. What we need is the Siri settings, so at this point I'm going to scroll down. I'm scrolling slowly, keeping an eye on the labels, and we're looking for the option that says Siri. It might just be labeled Siri, so keep scrolling until you see it. Alright, I see Siri now, so I'm going to tap on Siri, and now we're on the Siri settings page. This is where you can control how Siri works and how you can activate it. Next, we're going to tap on Talk to Siri. I'm looking on this page for the option labeled Talk to Siri, and once I find it, I'm tapping it. Now we're on the Talk to Siri screen, and this is where you choose how you want to trigger Siri with your voice. You should see a few choices here, and what we want is the option called Hey Siri. So at this point I'm going to tap Hey Siri. When you select it, you'll usually see it highlight or show as selected, so you know it's turned on. Just take a second to make sure Hey Siri is the one that's chosen on this screen, and that's it. Once Hey Siri is selected, it's enabled and you don't need to hit a save button. You can tap back or exit settings whenever you're done, and now your iPhone will be set to respond when you say Hey Siri.